Hello everyone, and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake, and today I am going to be doing the final weekly challenge prompt for this month, that word being wet. I may have to go find my raincoat for this one, but to be honest, I have no idea where it is since it's winter, so I guess we're just going to have to get started. So when I started to approach this piece with the word being wet, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to make. I didn't know if I wanted to do something with like rain or an ocean or just something like that, but then I started to think about animals that interact with water in a really fun way. And then I went into the idea of elephants. And I've always loved how elephants will sometimes grab water with their schnoz and just spray it into the air onto themselves. This was definitely a lot more of a fun way to deal with the concept of wet. And to make the piece even better for me, I love elephants. They're just such gentle giants, and I have always loved the way that they interact with people and objects. But I also love that even though they are gentle animals, they can show how big and scary they can really be if you mess with their family. But this piece is starting to get closer to being done, so I'm going to be quiet and I will see you guys at the end of this video with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word wet. I really like elephants, so I think this turned out really good, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about your other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!